welcome to Comandante. Today it's a quick troubleshoot. Some people ask what to do if their grinder's squeaking. So first of all, it's not the grinder but the handle here. So all we need to do is take the crank off and just pulling the handle off the crank. Just pulls off like that. And all you need then to stop this squeaking sound, which is just coming from the contact point between the natural wood and the metal, is to take a mineral oil of some kind, a clean mineral oil, like the one in our Kef set, put it onto a cloth of some kind, and then you can simply rub that onto the end of the crank, like that, and put the handle back on the crank with a clicking sound. So it's just a simple push click. Once you hear that click, it's safe and ready to go. So then you can grind away with no annoying squeaky sound. Enjoy!